This is Google Doc, and you can see there's multiple pages here, and I want to show you how to add numbers to this Google Doc. Now, we have a few options here, but to get to it, we need to go to Insert, Page Elements, Page Numbers, and you can see that these are the placements available. So you have top, bottom, and then you can do top or bottom, but skip the first page, like if you have a cover page or something. I want to show you this first. So I've put in a header and I've put in a footer. This is essentially the section that the page number will show in. So if you choose top, it'll be in the header. If you choose bottom, it'll be in the footer. So if I go back to Insert, Page Elements, Page Numbers, I'm going to put it at the bottom. You can see that that page numbering is now showing at the bottom. I'm just going to click outside of the document, and it's going to leave that kind of edit window. And that page number is now all the way across all pages. Now, if you put in, let's say you put it on the bottom, but you actually want it to go on the top, we can change that, but it's kind of wonky. So I'll move this to the top, click out, but now you'll see that I have it on the top and the bottom. And for whatever reason, I can't figure out how to remove it from, actually, let's see if that'll do it. Yeah, it's still there. So I have just been removing the footer altogether to get rid of that number on the bottom, and then going back to Page Elements, Footer, and then putting my footer back. So if you have an extensive footer, make sure that you are choosing where you want your page numbers the first time right, so you don't have to redo this, because I can't figure out. That's kind of like my workaround. But that is how we're going to add numbers to all the pages, and you'll see that when I export this as a PDF, that that number is now at the top, counting all of our pages in this Google Doc. So that's all I have today, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, if you could like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.